So for this project, we will be using Google Colab, as Google Colab provides high computational power and OpenCV requires that. So as we know that in this project, we will be working on detecting and counting the number of vehicles in a given image or a video. We will be using OpenCV for image processing and HAR Cascade, which is used for object detection. And I already told you that you can also create your own customized HAR Cascade classifiers. In this project, we will be using the cars.xml HAR cascade and busfront.xml cascade. So you need to download that from the internet, and we will store it in our Google Colab here in the file section. I've already uploaded the busfront.xml and the cars.xml file. So I'll also show you how to detect object or a vehicle in a video. So I have uploaded a cars.mp4 video also here. You can select any video that you want, but it should contain some vehicle. So let's start this project. So we'll start by importing some required libraries, such as we will import image from PIL, which will be used for loading the image or visualizing the image. We will import CV2. So CV2 is OpenCV, used for computer vision and image processing. We'll import NumPy. NumPy is used for mathematical computation. And we will also import request. So request is used to fetch the URLs that pass to it and download the data from that URL. So let's run this cell and import these libraries. So as our libraries have been imported, the first thing we should do is we should download our image that we'll be working on. So first I'll show you how to detect an object, that is a vehicle, car, from an image. So I have taken an image from image URL from internet. You can take any URL, any image. It should contain some cars because we're working on vehicle detection. So it should have some car in that image. Here you can see that I have used request function. So this request function will fetch this URL and this image will be stored using image.open. Similarly, I am also resizing this image and converting it into a NumPy array. So let's run this cell and visualize the image that we'll be working on. So here you can see that this is the image that we will work on. In this image, you can see that there are many cars, and we will work on identifying them and counting the vehicles. So next what we'll do is, in order to get a better